Hermetic refrigerant motor compressors have the motor windings and compressor parts enclosed in a sealed housing that is permanently connected to the refrigerant system. The housing is designed to prevent refrigerant leakage and maintain a vacuum in the motor windings. Semi-hermetic refrigerant motor compressors also have the motor windings and compressor parts enclosed in a sealed housing. However, the housing has a removable plate or cover that allows access to the motor windings for maintenance and repair. The main difference between hermetic and semi-hermetic motor compressors is the accessibility of the motor windings. In hermetic compressors, the motor windings are not easily accessible for repair, while in semi-hermetic compressors, they can be accessed by removing the cover plate. Other potential differences include reliability. Hermetic compressors are generally considered more reliable than semi-hermetic compressors due to the sealed housing, which prevents refrigerant leakage and contamination of the motor windings. Maintenance. Hermetic compressors require less maintenance than semi-hermetic compressors because the motor windings are not exposed to the atmosphere. Cost. Hermetic compressors tend to be more expensive than semi-hermetic compressors due to the increased manufacturing complexity. While motor load is generally similar between hermetic and semi-hermetic compressors, there may be some slight differences due to the different housing designs. Hermetic compressors may have low motor loads due to the reduced friction and improved cooling efficiency of the sealed housing. The decision between hermetic and semi-hermetic motor compressors depends on the specific application and requirements. Hermetic compressors offer increased reliability and reduced maintenance, while semi-hermetic compressors provide easier access to the motor windings for repairs. It is recommended to consult with a qualified heating, ventilation, and air conditioning professional to determine the most suitable option for specific needs.